Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you second test, D'Alembert ratio test. Fine. So here let un be a series of positive terms such that limit n tending to infinite un by un plus 1 is L. Then summation of un is convergent if L is greater than 1. Un is divergent if L is less than 1. And summation of un may be converge or diverge if L is equal to 1. That means in the third part test fails. You are not able to classify whether the series is convergent or a divergent series if limit is 1. Fine. So now we will apply how to prove this. Let us see. So now the proof. Summation of un is, let's suppose this is a positive term series. This is already given to you. This is a positive term series. So here this is a positive term series. So obviously un is greater than 0 for all n. Now if each term is positive, so obviously un by un plus 1 will be positive. This ratio will be positive. अगर हर टर्म ही पॉजिटिव है तो ये रेशियो भी पॉजिटिव डेफिनेटली रहा होगा. So this implies limit n tending to infinite un by un plus 1 is L. This is already given to you. This. So obviously limit will be positive. If each term is positive, then obviously limit will be positive. अगर सारी टर्म्स ही पॉजिटिव हैं तो लिमिट भी तो पॉजिटिव होगी. So that's why here is greater than equal to 0. Fine. Now by the definition of the limit, since this limit is L, so for each epsilon there exists a positive integer m such that this difference un by un plus 1 minus L is less than epsilon for all n is greater than equals to m. Now open this inequality, we get this. Now here this inequality is valid for all n greater than equals to m. यानी हर एक नंबर के लिए वैलिड है जो n is greater than equal to m है. So that's why if you replace this n by least number m होगा. So if you start your n as m plus 1, m plus 2 up to n minus 1 in equation number 1, then what you will get? You will get this type of inequalities. You get this type of inequalities. L minus epsilon, um by um plus 1 is less than L plus epsilon. Next number is um plus 1. Next number is for m plus 2 and last is n minus 1. So we get this. Now multiply these numbers. So left hand side multiply with left hand side, so we get L minus epsilon. These are total n minus m numbers. These are total n minus m inequalities. These are total n minus m inequalities. So that's why when you multiply, so we get L minus epsilon raised to the power n minus m less than. Now when you multiply, so you will get um upon um plus 1 multiply by um plus 1 divided by um plus 2 multiply by last number is un minus 1 divided by un. Middle part. So this is cancelled out with this. This is cancelled out with this. This is cancelled out with this. So only left part is this and this. So this is written here. Only left part is this um by um. This is um by um. So this is written here is less than equal to L plus epsilon raised to the power n minus 1. So finally we get this. Now here limit is because here L is greater than equal to 0. So L may be greater than 1, L may be less than 1, L is equals to 1. So now divide this L into 3 parts. First is when L is greater than 1. Fine. So when L is greater than 1, then you can easily choose a small epsilon such that L minus epsilon is greater than 1. क्योंकि L बड़ा है greater than 1 से, अगर आप इसमें epsilon amount थोड़ा सा subtract भी कर दें, छोटा सा एक epsilon आप select कर सकते हो, so that L minus epsilon is also greater than 1. ठीक है ना, ऐसा epsilon आपको मिल जाएगा. So L minus epsilon is greater than 1. That's why 1 by L minus epsilon is less than 1. Fine. So now we are taking the left part. Left part. So L minus epsilon raised to the power n minus m is less than um by un. फाइन, दिस कैन बी री रिटन एज un को लेफ्ट में लाए, l माइनस एप्सिलॉन को राइट में. सो un इज लेस देन um बाय l माइनस एप्सिलॉन रेज टू द पावर n माइनस m. दैट मीन्स un इज लेस देन um मल्टीप्लाई बाय l माइनस एप्सिलॉन रेज टू द पावर m. ये जो माइनस m है इसको अलग अलग किया, बाइफिकेट किया, तो माइनस m यहाँ चला गया, ये जो पार्ट है ये यहाँ है. फाइन, m इज अ फिक्स्ड नंबर, तो m इज फिक्स्ड, l minus epsilon raised to the power m, this is also fixed, so this part is a fixed number. So let us say k 1 by l minus epsilon raised to the power m, where k is um plus um l minus epsilon raised to the power m. Fine, so this is equation number 3rd. So since this series is a geometric series, k is a constant, this series is a geometric series and ratio is 1 by l minus epsilon, and which is less than 1, so the ratio is less than 1, and that's why this is a convergent series. So this is a convergent series, and hence by the comparison test, first comparison test, जब ये series converge करेगी तो ये भी converge करेगा. So this is a convergent series. Fine, this is the conclusion. Now the second part, when l is less than 1, so again you can choose epsilon in such a way that l plus epsilon is also less than 1. जब l is less than 1 है तो आप ऐसा epsilon ढूंढ सकते हो कि l plus epsilon is also less than 1. Fine, then 1 upon l plus epsilon is greater than 1. Fine, now we are taking the right hand part, so um upon un is less than l plus epsilon raised to the power n minus 1. So again you can take this un in the right hand side and l plus epsilon in the left hand side. So we get this. Again divide into two parts. This part l plus epsilon raised to the power n into l plus epsilon raised to the power minus m. Minus m वाला part ऊपर चला गया. So we get this. So this is again a constant k. Fine. So here is this constant. This is the constant k, where k is this term. Fine. So now this summation, this series is actually this right hand side is a geometric series with common ratio 1 by l plus epsilon greater than 1. That means a divergent series. So if this is divergent, so un is divergent. So this is the conclusion. Now the third part is when l is 1. Fine. So now since the test fails, so here we have taken two examples. First, तो क्योंकि टेस्ट फेल हो जा रहा है तो हियर वी हैव टेकन टू एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट इज समेशन 1 by n. इफ यू एक्सपैंड दिस यू विल गेट 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by n. व्हाट इज un? un is the nth term, 1 by n. So un plus 1 is 1 by n plus 1. Take the ratio, un by un plus 1 is n plus 1 divided by n. After divide by n you will get 1 plus 1 by n. Take the limit. So un by un plus 1 is 1. So that's why l is 1. L is 1 for this, but this series is a p series with p is equals to 1, with p is equal to 1. That's why divergent series, and that's why un diverges. क्योंकि p सीरीज है तो ये सीरीज डाइवर्ज करेगी, और जब ये सीरीज डाइवर्ज करेगी तो un भी डाइवर्ज करेगा. फाइन. Now the next example, consider this series, again a p series with p is 2. Fine. So now un is 1 by n square, un plus 1 is 1 by n plus 1 whole square. Divide this, so we get n plus 1 whole square divided by n square. So 1 plus 1 by n whole square. So un by un plus 1 is 1. So l is 1. Again l is 1. For this example. However, this is a p series with p is equal to 2. That means convergent series. So here is convergent. However, this p series diverges. दोनों की l 1 है, इसकी भी 1 है, इसकी भी 1 है, लेकिन ये डाइवर्ज कर रही है, ये कन्वर्ज कर रही है. That's why series test fails. That's why this series test fails. So above example concludes that if l is 1, a series may converge or diverge, hence the test fails when l is 1. Fine. Now we have this note point. If summation of un is a positive term series, this is a note 1. सच दैट लिमिट ऑफ यू एन बाई दिस इज इनफाइनाइट। अभी तक जितने भी आए हैं वो एल आए हैं, वो एक नंबर आया है एल इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0। हमने 1 से कंपैरिजन किया, सो दिस इज देन द सीरीज इज कन्वर्जेंट। सो इट गिव्स दैट द सीरीज यू एन बाई यू एन प्लस 1 डाइवर्जेस टू इनफाइनाइट। ये हमें प्रूफ करना है कि ये सीरीज कन्वर्ज करती है। सो लेट्स सी, इट इज़ गिवन दैट दिस इज इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट। अगर कोई इनफाइनाइट आता है किसी सीरीज में, इसका मतलब सीरीज जो है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, डाइवर्ज करती है। डाइवर्ज करती है तो बाय द डेफिनेशन क्या है कि कोई भी आप नंबर चूज कर लिए, हमेशा आपको कुछ टर्म्स बड़ी मिल जाएंगी। फाइन, यानी ये सीक्वेंस डाइवर्ज करेगा। अगर ये सीरीज डाइवर्ज करती है तो ये सीक्वेंस भी डाइवर्ज करेगा। एंड हैंस कोई भी आप नंबर ले लीजिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल से 2, तो आपको एक नंबर मिल जाएगा सो दैट कि दिस इनइक्वालिटी होल्ड्स। सीक्वेंस में हमने पढ़ा है ना कि कोई भी नंबर अगर डाइवर्ज करता है सीक्वेंस, तो आप कोई भी नंबर सेट कीजिए, आपको नंबर्स मिल जाएगा। सो दिस इज फ्रॉम दैट सीक्वेंस। सो यू एन इज बाई यू एन प्लस 1 इज ग्रेटर देन, दिस कैन बी री रिटन एज दिस, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 2 raised to the power n. So we get this. From here Vn is Vn, this is nothing but Vn by Vn plus 1, where Vn is 1 by 2 raised to the power n. इसको हम ये लिख सकते हैं जहाँ Vn is 1 by 2 raised to the power n. But this is a geometric series with ratio half, converge करती है. Fine. Now we have to apply comparison test. Second comparison test. क्या था second comparison test? Second comparison test is this. Second comparison test, which says that this, if Vn converges, Un converges. Fine. So that's why, since Vn converges here, since here Vn converges, so Un converges. So this is a convergent series. Fine. So this is the conclusion. I will take examples in the next video. Thank you.